In this video, we are unboxing an Arrma Granite Mega, the brushed version. Welcome everybody, my name's Troy, this is Roadside RC. On this channel, you will see us doing the bashing and the crawling and the drifting, and even sometimes we'll go do the racing. We also do a lot of how-to videos. In this video, we are looking at a Arrma Granite Mega. Very excited about this. We won this from Bars&toneRC. So here, come out up here, check out one of their videos. I'll provide a link. He was doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Huge congratulations to him for hitting that first 1,000 subscribers. You know there is many more to come. As he did that, giving away the Mega Granite. Very excited about this also because our friend, the Rich DRC, has had a Granite BLX, the 3S version, brushless, and honestly said that it was one of the most durable vehicles he's ever had. And so what we're looking at is, man, this is the Mega version. Suspension, all that kind of stuff is the same. This is the new, what is it, the V3, the brand new 2020 version with some updates to it. So it means it is brushless ready. So new controller, it has new upgrades that make it brushless ready. So you could get this truck for like $220. You could throw a cheap brushless setup in it. You can be ready to run brushless for under $300. This might be the best four-wheel drive, like, monster truck deal in RC, period. So very excited to get this thing open, see what it looks like. We're gonna peel it. We're gonna do the peel. Let's see what it looks like. What? Look at the detail. Oh man. Now that is one good looking 10th scale monster truck. That thing, I am liking it. Comes with a handy dandy set of tools, the instructions. Man, we should probably read those. We have the new SLT3 controller. Now, my son has this on his Arrma Typhon BLX. Really like this. I think this thing, man, ergonomics, the controls, everything about it, I am very happy with this. It's also really good for beginners because it actually does have the 50/7500 throttle limiter on it. So even if you wanted to give this or the brushless version to, you know, maybe somebody younger, somebody newer to the hobby, you can actually turn down the power so it's a little bit easier to control out of the box. In here we have a battery charger. Well, wait a second, if we have a battery charger, what does that mean? Body off, and yes, look at that. So yes, that is absolutely great. With brush 12-turn motor, we have their ESC, the new Spectrum Servo, which hopefully does not go out nearly as quickly as that old version did. And we actually do come with a nickel metal battery, so you are fully, literally 100% ready to run out of the box. That is epic. Very importantly, compared to the previous iterations of this model, it actually has the upgraded housing here, different gears in it, metal, the rubber shielded bearings in all corners, and it has the upgraded front and rear differentials inside of it so that it is truly brushless ready out of the box. I can literally take, you know, we have actually have a Ghoul RC setup laying around. We're going to throw that in here. We're going to have it with a lipo in it, and we are going to be literally brushless granite for a very cheap cost. so this truck is honestly pretty dang awesome. I mean, one, again, thanks to Bars&toneRC. If you haven't, get over there and check out his channel out. Really appreciate this, man. This truck is great. It is, of course, not as powerful as some of the brushless models, things along those lines. But we can fix that. We can definitely throw some of that in there. I think we're gonna lower this body down. I think we're gonna make it look a little bit meaner. We're gonna throw a brushless setup in it, maybe a different gear to really make it kind of have some wheel speed. And we are gonna have a blast with this truck. So I really, man, this is a great beginner RC. You are, I mean, 220, you are running, and you are, everything that you just saw was exactly how it comes out of the box. We charged the battery, we stuck it in it, we drove it, that is it. That's great. That is absolutely great for that just over $200 price point. Awesome job by Arrma. Highly recommend it. Go out and get yourself one. Thank you again. Goodbye.